Hey, how's it going, everybody? Don't tell me. Every one of you are at San Diego Comic-Con. I'm so jealous. I'm just too lazy to drive 3 hours and hotels, parking, tickets, buying 8 months in advance. Forget that. I'm just going to do this, hang out with you guys, and I don't care if I gotta get one view. If you could, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you like it. So let's get started. Let's talk San Diego Comic-Con. Let's see what's going on over there. Black Panther 2. And that's pretty interesting how they're going to make Craven is going to be black. He's not even going to be Russian. Wait, he's black. He's going to be coming from Wakanda. And I think that is a very, very, very good twist. Very good plot twist. I think that'll really work. So I'm definitely looking forward for that. Now, what's going to be interesting is if they're going to have a Craven comic with this Craven that's going to be in Black Panther 2, the new Craven. So I think that's going to be a hot book when it comes out. So for our little show and tell here, yeah, boom, Werewolf by Night. Marvel Spotlight number 2. The origin and first appearance of Werewolf. You got to jump on all this horror stuff. Werewolf, Dracula. Even look at the Atlas Comics and the Grim Ghost. It just seems all this supernatural thriller stuff is hot right now, and it's going to be coming. And especially, I think, on Hulu. I think Hulu likes this whole scary stuff. So here we go. We got a 5.0. I wish you could see the coloring. The coloring it's like a 7 or 8. Jerry Conway, Roy Thomas, Jeannie Thomas stories, Mike Plug art, Neil Adams, and Tom Palmer cover. I didn't know Neil Adams did this cover. The werewolf's name is Jack Russell. I'm not making that up. So we got Black Panther 2 for sure. And then I think, what I was talking about, and I got caught off in my last video, She-Hulk. Yeah, she's going to be, supposedly, she's going to be Spider-Man's lawyer. Yeah. And so that's going to be interesting. I'm really excited for that one. I dig She-Hulk. I just hope they do her right. I hope they don't do her like, make her into some rampaging maniac like Hulk is, And I hope they make her pretty muscular. I like muscle. A little muscle growth. This is just a personal favorite. No real spec on this. This is a personal favorite. I think it's just a killer one. And also, I believe in buying one cheap. Iron Fist. Yeah. So as you know, Netflix canceled them all. That Iron Fist show, in my opinion, was horrible. Iron Fist, the guy who played it was just horrible. He must have been brothers with the director or something. I don't know. But this is just an amazing, iconic cover. To me, this is like pure art. 9.8, Gabriel Dell'Otto cover. Dell'Otto Virgin Edition. Iron Fist number 1. That's for me. I love it. Let's see. Also, I don't know if I'm just blabbing stuff that's coming to mind. The comic Paper Girls. I think that got optioned for a TV show or a movie. Peanuts. I hate peanuts. Also, too, that's kind of interesting. And I won't bring that up because I'm not too sure about that. I'm not too sure if I have my facts straight on that one, so I won't bring that up. So this is a spec play, too. I don't have I don't have my notes on it. Crisis on Infinite Earth. Iconic cover. Very cool. PGX, but 9.8, George Perez, you can't beat him. Marv Wolfman story, amazing. And then also, you got to get the other one, the Final Fate of Flash. Again, Perez art and cover, and Wolfman's story. I love him. Let's see here. Uh-oh. Where did I put my... I don't know where the razor blade. I'm using my hands now. This is interesting packaging. What's this about? I can't even imagine at SDC. Here's my philosophy on New Issue, okay? Why sit there, spend your own time driving around town, spending your gas, dealing with traffic, going to a couple different shops for that issue that they're hoarding back, putting back, and then going to sell it up on eBay for more money? You know, it's just like, why? So you know what I do? I just go online, wait till somebody grades it, and buy it for $40. Venom number 3. And it's a variant. I didn't know that. That's a sick cover. Very sick cover. Jesus Christ. Look at this guy's shoulders. I wish I was built like him. Oh, what about the whole Swamp Thing news? How did that get canceled? How is Supergirl still on TV, but Swamp Thing gets canceled? This whole feminist agenda is starting to irk me. But I'm definitely going to watch Swamp Thing. I hear it's great. I hear it's really good. I can't believe all of what I saw happening at Hall H in SDCC. I'm not remembering. Oh, yeah. Now, Black Cat is hot. But why? She didn't show up in Far From Home. So, those in the know, those behind the scenes, what do they know that we don't? So we got I'm pretty sure when it's the Diamond, that's Whitman. And you know what? I always thought that was done by marker, but it's not. That's actually done by like a computer, or it's just not done by hand. I can just tell you that much. It's not done by hand. We got the origin and second appearance of the Black Cat. Marv Wolfman story, Keith Pollard art, Al Milgrom cover. Dig it. Oh yeah, I think they said in SDCC that Venom, Venom 2's coming. Nice. And what's his name is going to be? He'll be come back to play it. Tom Hardy. He was good. I liked him in it. He was good. You know, I like that part. I like that part in the movie where he goes, Venom's like, let's bite his head off. And Tom's like, why'd we do that? Why do you want to do that? Orange bubble wrap? Strange. I've never seen orange bubble wrap. So, with Mr. Warlock coming, Infinity War, number 1, 9.8. Look at him. Look at him standing in there like a boss. He's like, yeah, I can annihilate every one of you punks. 9.8, Jim Starlin story, Ron Lim and Al Milgrom cover and art. Oh, it's a wraparound cover. Very cool. I never knew that. on the Infinity War. It's a wraparound cover. Oh, Hulk's looking badass over there. So with the whole Venom theme here, we got Venom 168. First full appearance of Null. Also, Spider-Man, Miles Morales version Spider-Man is making an appearance in this. Now that's interesting. Why is Miles Morales the Spider-Man that's interacting with this Venom? Or why is this Miles Morales interacting with Null? Things that make you go, Superman. And remember, if you're liking it so far, please hit a like. Oh yeah, Morbius. I cannot wait for him to come. Look at him flying through the air. So we got Peter Parker, the Spectacular Spider-Man. We got Morbius. We got Human Torch, Spider-Man, Alton Ingram cover. Very nice. This is a nice issue. It's a little offset in the back. I don't know if you can see how it's a little offset in the back. So that's interesting. It's still a 9.8. Now what about Sandman? Can you believe that? That's coming to Hulu too. I'm jazzed on that. Scissors. Oh man, this one might be hard to open. Uh-oh. I don't know where I put my blade. I'll use a knife. When's the last time you sharpened this thing? Jesus. Don't do this at home, kids. Now this is how you pack a comic. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm picking these up slowly all day long. Sandman. Number 7. I wish I had number 8, because I think 8 is the first appearance of Death. Neil Gaiman story. Mike Dringenberg and Malcolm Jones III. Art Dave McKean cover. Digging it. I'm really looking for... Oh, the back. That's pretty cool back, too. I'm really looking forward to the Sandman TV show. Let me take a break. Next one. See you in the next one, guys.